Today we're going to talk about sound issues in Windows 10 and how to fix it. So today we got this noise that's very annoying in the background. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to type in here on search for audio, like audio, manage audio devices on Windows 10. And then it'll pull this up. Yeah, we're going to search for audio. Just type in audio, it ain't going to hurt. So I go manage audio devices. Okay, it pulls this up. Now you go to your audio device, like in my instance it's this. So I go configure. I meant properties, my bad. I go to properties. And then we go to enhancements. And if this is checked off, that is going to make a lot of background noise, and it's going to get like, you're going to hear this like continuous. You don't want that noise. Click that off, because that is what is annoying. And now as for anything else, room correction, you don't really need that. I don't really see the point. Virtual sound, that's not really that great. Bass management, yes, that's all right. So anything else other than that, check them off. As for this here on the advanced tab, you can go DVD quality and apply that. That makes it crisper audio. Let's see. As for levels, you mute microphone and all that. That's pretty much how you fix it. You turn off loudness equalization to get rid of the background hissing noise that goes. Alright. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a great day.